In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Google Docs and Google Slides. If you collaborate with other people, leave feedback, or just want to add a note for yourself without changing the actual content. Comments are one of the easiest tools to use. The good news is that the process is almost the same in both Google Docs and Google Slides. So once you learn it once, you can use it in either app. To begin, open your document or presentation and go to the exact place where you want your comment to appear. If you're working in Google Docs, highlight the text you want to comment on. If you don't need to highlight a specific word or sentence, you can simply click in the spot where you want to leave the comment. In Google Slides, you can do the same idea by selecting the text or clicking the object or area you want to attach the comment to. This first step is important because it tells Google exactly what your comment is referring to. Next, add the comment. You can do this in one of two simple ways. The first option is to click the Add Comment icon, which looks like a speech bubble with a plus sign, usually found on the right side of the screen. The second option is to right-click on the selected text or area and then choose Comment from the menu. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels quicker and more natural for you. Once the comment box opens, type your message. Keep your comment clear and specific, so anyone reading it understands what you mean right away. For example, you might suggest a revision, ask a question, or point out something that needs review. A well-written comment makes collaboration smoother and helps avoid confusion later. After typing your message, click Comment to post it. As soon as you do, the comment will be attached to that text, location, or object, and it will be visible to collaborators who have access to the file. This makes it easy for everyone to review feedback without directly editing the original content. And that's all there is to it. Adding comments in Google Docs and Google Slides is quick, simple, and extremely useful for teamwork, editing, and review. Once you start using comments regularly, you'll find it much easier to communicate changes and keep discussions organized right inside your file.